My name is Owen Collins, and I am 12 years old. We've been hearing a lot about global warming and climate change, and I've heard how it is going to cause devastation to our planet through dramatic changes in the weather. Flooding, damage to the oceans, decline in air quality, and even potential Armageddon if we don't do something about it. But how exactly is this happening? What is causing the temperatures to rise and our oceans to become more acidic? Well, the main gases in the atmosphere consist of nitrogen and oxygen. There are also greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases naturally occur in our atmosphere. They consist mainly of gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. These gases exist naturally in small amounts, alongside nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen. Normally, greenhouse gases would be about 1% of our atmosphere. In fact, we have to be thankful to these fellas, as they help us trap heat in the atmosphere and have enabled life to exist on this planet. This is because they are larger than other gas molecules in the atmosphere and deflect heat back to keeping the Earth warm enough to sustain life. However, thanks to all reliance on fossil fuels, large industry, airplanes, cars, burning waste, and so on, we are pumping more and more carbon dioxide into the air. Also, thanks to our love of meat, our growing cattle population are excreting more and more methane into the air. In turn, this increase in greenhouse gases will cause temperatures to rise, melting the oceans and causing dramatic shifts in the weather patterns. In the past, our rainforests could absorb much of the carbon dioxide, but these have been cut down at a staggering rate and can no longer do their job. Our oceans were also capable of absorbing some of the CO2. But now the amount of CO2 is actually changing the chemical composition in our seas, with frightening consequences and making them more acidic. This in turn has led to a devastating impact on sea life, which is a source of food for over 1 billion people on our planet. So there you have it, folks. The food shortage, the flooding, the dangerous weather. This is going to impact our generation. There are some people who would prefer to ignore this, as the dramatic impacts probably won't be realized in their lifetime. But there's a lot we can do to help. Walk and cycle whenever possible. Conserve electricity by shutting off appliances when not in use. And conserve water by turning off the tap whenever you can. Tell everyone you know about this problem. Let's save our planet.